Well, it's back to Patti tonight. All right, we're back to Patti. I said I want to do Patti as cheap as possible, and I think everybody understands why we want to do things cheap at the current time. So, what we're doing tonight, I already pressure washed her up a bit. I wouldn't say does she meet your standards?
No.
Not even close. So I got the worst of the gunk off. There behind us here, there's a debris field of greasy old leaves and walnut shells and Lord knows what. So we can start to take a look at it. And the main question on Patti is if the bulkhead's going to work or not. So let me come over and grab the old camera off there and hand carry you over here. So that bulkhead looks a lot like the bulkhead on Tommy's TXL Indy, doesn't it? About the same damage.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not too afraid of that. I don't really see anything else that wouldn't work on it. Let me
get to this side.
Well, let me grab my beer off of there and I'm going to move the tripod so we don't kick the sled over into it. All right, let's kick the sled over, Dennis.
Right. Watch out, dogs.
Look out, Farley. So, I don't know. I don't see any real showstoppers. The steering stem's bent. We can straighten it or find another one.
Yeah, we have those.
We know this is loose up here, but that's just loose. Whoop, Daisy's going for my beer. We know that's just loose. Otherwise, it's not too broke up. There might be something going on right here with that piece of strap.
Bend here.
Yeah.
Nothing major.
I think we could straighten most of that out. I think we can make this work. So there you go. There's the verdict. We're going to try to make this work. So the next thing we're going to do is get this belly pan off of here because holy cow.
Why do we need the belly pan off?
Well, how many pieces is the belly pan in? Let's see. It's cut there. It's cut there. It's cut there.
It's broken here.
It's broken
here.
There. Yeah.
Cut here.
Yeah. This is more like two belly pans that have been pieced together to make one. So we're going to get rid of that. So we're going to have to look around in the junkyard for an extra 12 belly pan. And if we don't find one, well, we'll have to get one at Princeton, hopefully. So I don't know, Dennis, what do you think? Think we can make her fly?
Tonight?
No, not tonight.
Oh, the sled eventually will fly, yes.
Yeah.
Can we get the belly pan off? Yeah.
I don't know if we're going to get it out of there tonight or not. This might just be a short Wednesday video with a little triage. I don't know. We're going to eat some pizza and we'll see how ambitious we feel after that.
I'm feeling ambitious.
Well, we might be getting
just
out the drill and, well, we got to get the rear trailing arms off and a drill bit.
Oh, that might be a problem.
I don't know. Better to break it now and find out, you know.
What do you think, Patti? What do you want done tonight?
Patti wants somebody to pay attention to her old chassis. All right, we're going to eat pizza. I'll bring you back in a bit. We're having a Patron Pizza moment tonight. Just the two of us, so there'll be some leftover pizza for me to eat for lunch tomorrow.
You think so, huh?
Yeah. Tonight's selection is a brew pub sausage and pepperoni, cooked to perfection here in the Nutter Speed Shop Pizza Oven.
Cooked too hot.
It is hot.
Yeah.
Which is how we like it. So there you go. Thanks, patrons, for your support. All right. Well, first thing we're gonna do is see if we can get these trailing arms off.
There's one.
Wow. I bet that bolt's hot. No, it's not bad. Oh, look it. That looks like somebody's had it off and the anti-seized it. Well, all right. Things are looking up. All right, Dennis, you gonna roll her over?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's see if we get the other one off just as well. I can't believe that worked. All right.
Of course.
I'm going for the next size up electric impact. I'll be right back.
Yeah, they might come out easy.
Well, there you go. All you need is a good battery. All right. All right. I'm going to get the drill and
Let's finish undressing Patti.
undressing Patti. I like the idea. All right, Dennis is being camera tech here tonight. So these are by and large 3/16 rivets. I'm going to drill them with a 1/4-inch bit, but I'm not going to drill through. I'm just going to take the heads off them.
Farley down. Just getting it off the rivets.
Yep. Good plan.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, I forgot one.
Looks like we need a drill.
Need to weaken it more?
Yeah.
Get it under the head. It'll come up. There you go. You know, the temperature is nice right now, but
It's a little
it is
humid.
humid.
If you don't move, it's nice out.
Yeah.
Okay, how do we want to do that?
Well, it's only this exhaust bracket that's kind of trapping it. Oh, Farley had enough there.
Yep.
Yeah?
There's that side.
Keep pulling.
Something up front.
Oh, it's these. We got to get those 4 off.
All right.
Let me grab the camera and show them. Yeah, I mentioned this earlier, but there's this radius rod brace under here. We got to unbolt that. Then it'll come off. There we go. We are de-belly panning Patti. Let me move the camera. We'll put her back down on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
All right, roll her over.
All right, that side's out. This side's next. There it goes.
That's it. Scared you a little when I pulled up, huh? Woo! All right.
Now she's sexy.
This is one horrible belly pan.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So this piece is probably maybe the original belly pan. This is something somebody scabbed in. This might be a third or part of the original. We don't know. But we do know it's made up of more than one belly pan.
Yeah.
All right. Well, how's the bulkhead look?
It looks dirty.
I don't think it looks any worse than it did.
No. We'll have to clean out all those rivets.
Oh, yeah.
And hopefully we can get new rivets that work.
Yep, we can. Easily. McMaster Car has them.
I mean, that they go in the hole.
Yeah. So, all right, there we go.
All right.
Dennis, it's hot and humid. Let's do the wrap up.
Let's do a wrap up.
Let's do it out here, though.
All right.
Well, it was so hot out that day, I forgot to hit record when we filmed the outro. Sorry, Dennis. I know you'll be disappointed when you see that because it was totally hilarious, but we didn't capture it. So, anyways, I just want to say a big thanks to the patrons. Really appreciate your support, guys. For those that don't know, the patrons support us a little bit each month with a $5 or $10 donation, and in return, they get their name up on the screen, like you can see, and they get to watch all the videos early and ad-free on the Patreon app. And in addition, they get to watch some extra videos for patrons only. Everybody else, if you watch this far, well, I know you like what you're watching, so please hit subscribe, and we'll see you at the Princeton Swap.